Hello, I'm Tan France. Now, we all know I love a great transformation. The willingness to take a risk, big or small, can be a huge catalyst for change. Michelle felt that need for change and established Zeus's Place, a pet shelter for cats and dogs until they find their forever home.
I started this business right after Hurricane Katrina. I lived 4 blocks from here. I lost my house and my Jeep and everything in the storm. And when we came back, my husband and my 2-year-old were like, I want to do something I love for the rest of my life. And I passed by this building and it had a for sale sign. Called my husband that day. I was like, can I just do animal rescue for the rest of my life? And he's like, sure.
But driving local traffic to Zeus's Place has become a little bit of a problem for Michelle, and that's why we're here today, to help her generate further business so that she can keep on helping the pets that she rescues on a daily basis. Let's go meet Michelle. Hello, hi.
Hi.
Are you Michelle?
I am Michelle.
Hi, Michelle, I'm Tan. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You own Zeus's Place?
I do.
Okay, so you have a couple of locations. I did my due diligence. Uptown, is it quite different from this location here downtown?
They operate differently, even though our mission is the same, which is taking care of dogs and cats.
Yeah.
The Uptown is more suburban, it's more families, so our schedules are based on the school year for kids, whereas we're in the middle of downtown New Orleans, we're 2 blocks from the Superdome, so there are a lot of young professionals that live around here. So we're busier during the week over here and slower on the weekends.
Okay, so you're hoping to increase business on the weekends?
Absolutely.
How many dogs do you have?
2.
That's it?
That's it.
I'm actually surprised at that. What do you have?
I have 2 Great Pyrenees, they're rescues. They're both over 100 pounds.
I like the ones that you can lift.
Yeah, no, there's no lifting.
Okay, is it hard not taking every one of them home?
Absolutely, that's why we have Zeus's Place.
Okay, so this is where the majority of the action happens.
Yes, it's all back here.
So how many on average dogs are you housing at once here?
At this location, probably between 35 and 40, and here's Parker.
Look how sweet that one is.
Sure can.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Smash. All right, I want everybody to sit. That's
Sit?
the opposite of sit.
So you still are enjoying your actual passion? It's not just
Absolutely.
all business?
It's not just all business, and I'm trying to
Good.
move towards less of the
Operation.
operational stuff and back with the animals.
Okay, good. Thank you so much for sharing your story. It is
Absolutely.
inspiring. It's so impressive. Business is not easy. I know that. And so we want to help you with that. I have a friend. Her name is Grace, and she's a creative strategist.
Fantastic.
And here she is now.
Hi.
Grace, this is Michelle. Michelle, this is
Nice
Grace.
to meet
Nice to meet you.
So Michelle has had this business for a couple of years. In the week, it goes incredibly well. On the weekend, could do with your help. I'm going to leave you in Grace's very capable hands. She's going to show you how you can pivot and make changes that are truly going to affect your business. Grace, I'm going to leave you here. Thanks
you.
so much. I'll join you later.
Sounds
good luck.
Michelle, this business and everything that you've created here is so incredibly inspiring. Why don't we go sit down and talk about the creative for this campaign?
I'd love to.
Let's do it. So tell me a bit more about the business objective behind this campaign.
My business objective is to draw more clients into my downtown location. This is the newest location, and what I'm learning is it's completely different from my uptown location, whereas my uptown location are families and our business kind of flows with the school year.
Yep.
This location is actually downtown, so it's a little bit different, the clientele, and their rhythm of work is different.
What do you know about this audience and kind of like the specific things that you want to highlight that you feel like will really resonate with them?
With this audience, they're younger, like they're less likely to have kids.
Yep.
They have a lot of disposable income, which they can spend on their dog kids, and I'd like to find out more of what they need and what services we can provide so we're more of a benefit as a neighbor to them than just being a store that they come into to buy retail things or groom their dog. I love to highlight our grooming, and I love to highlight the fact that we have a concierge service where we'll go to these people's apartments and pick up their dog, groom it, and then return it back to their house so they're really not even having to worry about it.
One of the things that I was thinking could be really cool would be to capture a dog in slow motion getting their hair blow dried.
That's pretty amazing. That sounds like fun.
I think it would really, when someone's scrolling through that feed, just pop out.
I've got just a dog for you. Yeah.
Let's go.
Good boy. Turn around.
Work for treats.
Yeah. Don't we all? Sit. Good boy.
Oh, yes. All right. I think we got it.
Awesome. Thanks.
Let's head back and make the rest of this ad. Bo is such a star.
He's so much fun. He really is.
So there are a ton of different apps that we can use to create our creative for this campaign. First thing we're gonna do is choose a template.
Okay.
And we wanna keep it simple so that really the video is the hero of our creative.
Okay.
But there are a ton of different options to kind of frame up our shot.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that one right there. I like that one.
Okay, cool. And then from here, we can do a few different things. For example, we can add your logo so that people instantly know it's from Zeus's place. And then we can also add different lines of copy. So something to kind of showcase what people can expect after clicking on this ad. And then also something to bring the personality of the business to life.
All right.
So I think we should have something exciting because Bo looks so good in this video. Maybe a looking sharp.
That's perfect. He was looking sharp.
And then something that tells them a little bit what they'd be booking for. So maybe a full service grooming here. Or
Okay.
book now.
Book now?
All right. So let's add that. And then from here, we're ready to promote this post.
That looks so professional. That was so easy. You know, sitting there drying a dog, and now I have a great ad.
Here we are on your page. We're gonna hit promote here.
Okay.
And then scroll down to get more bookings. And then choose a radius close to this location. So maybe a 10-mile radius around. We're gonna wanna target pet owners since that's who we want coming in.
Right.
Great, so what are we thinking in terms of daily budget?
How about somewhere between $5 and $10 a day for 2 weeks?
Why don't we go with 7?
That's perfect.
Great. I'm gonna press promote book now.
All right.
And we're live.
Hey, it's exciting. That looks great.
I love his hair blowing in the wind here.
Look at his eyes with this
He looks
fur
like a little
movement.
Hey, you guys. Oh, it looks so good.
Isn't that great?
Oh my gosh, that's gonna make people stop on social.
Everybody's gonna want this for their dog.
How is it going? Do you feel like you can do this? You can recreate this?
It was so easy and it looked so professional. It took no time whatsoever. I could even show my employees how to do it on the fly. So
All right,
pretty
good.
excited about it.
Okay, good. Honestly, I cannot believe what you've achieved in so little time. It's blowing
can't
my
either.
mind. You can keep Grace if you want.
I'll be here. That would be great.
You want to stay?
adopt a dog.
Okay, great. Hello, Michelle. How are you?
I'm good, Tan. How are you?
So well. I can't complain. How is family life with all of this? Are you spending more time with your family than ever before, I assume?
Absolutely. And I gotta admit, I'm a little excited because I have my 16-year-old daughter here with me when she'd normally be out with her friends in school. And I've had her to myself with me and my husband for the last couple of months. She's sitting right there right now. And it's been wonderful. You know,
Speaking of family, you guys are a family business, and I want to know how business is going.
when COVID hit and everybody went into lockdown, I had to make some very, very difficult decisions and whittle myself down from 3 locations and 28 employees to 1 location and 9 employees. And so that was really, really difficult. And then I turned and I looked at the community around me, and we are in New Orleans. We are a tourism town. And so most of our people work in the service industry, and the restaurants are closed, the hotels are closed, so they're out of jobs. So what I did was I started writing grants, and I opened up my pet food bank a little bit larger so that anybody that needed pet food could come to me and get free food and vaccines and whatever they need to keep their pets with them during these hard times and beyond. And I ended up giving out over 39 pallets of food in just around 6 weeks.
I'm sure the people who you're helping is telling you how grateful they are, because that is an incredible service you're offering. The work that was shown to you, the tools that were given to you for your marketing efforts through Facebook, you weren't able to implement completely because COVID hit, I assume.
That's right. So I did do 2 of the suggested videos, and they went great. And actually the grooming really started to pick up at the downtown location, and people were like, oh my goodness, I would love for my dog to be a part, you know, like how can I get a video of them? And so we started doing fun little videos of people's dogs to send to them and work it out. So it was going great. And then COVID hit. So I sort of pivoted what I was doing. Instead of doing these videos, I went to Facebook Live. And so I would walk around the buildings doing Facebook Live and saying, here are all the animals I have up for adoption right now. Since people can't come to us, let me bring our shelter to you. And that really helped boost our adoptions just by using that simple tool that's free and available.
So you saw a good response from the videos before COVID. Is it the kind of thing you'll push forward with your Facebook marketing after?
I can't wait to get back into it. I had so much fun.
Good. Well, it sounds like you're doing wonderful work. I hope that business gets back on track soon. Good luck with the opening of downtown. And for everybody that you've helped, thank you so much. I know how important it is to have a company like you, a person like you who really thinks of the care of their community. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stay well. I hope to speak to you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Weren't paying enough attention and you kind of forgot a few things? Don't worry about it, I got you. Try slow motion to create thumb-stopping visuals. Use copy with a clear CTA, which is a call to action to tell people what to expect and what to do next. And finally, go live. Teach your customers something only you can provide. Okay, Ru, here's the deal. I love your hair. It's gorgeous. I mean, clearly I'm down for a silver fox. However, hey, you know your outfit needs some work. And I chose two options for you. Don't you love? Are they so cute? But I need your help. Do you want to choose between these two? Do you like this one? What do you think of the bones? Do you like the bones? Oh, that's a yes. Okay, all right, we'll go with the bones. All right. Do you want to go put this on? It's getting chilly, huh?